Welcome to BezReviews, where we break down the latest products. Today, we are looking at the new Ninja 5-in-1 Air Fryer, a versatile kitchen appliance promising crispy results with less oil. This model offers several cooking functions and a good capacity for everyday meals. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core cooking capabilities and how this Ninja Air. The 5-in-1 multifunctionality is a strong point, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, covering a wide. With a 5-quart capacity, this air fryer can comfortably fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds. The 1,750-watt power and 400-degree Fahrenheit air crisp technology are designed to deliver hot, crispy results consistently, often with significantly. Cleaning up is straightforward thanks to the nonstick basket and crisper plate, which means less scrubbing and more time enjoying. Overall, this air fryer stands out with its excellent cooking versatility and strong performance, making it. Next, let's evaluate the physical design and some crucial factors you need to know. Ninja claims a space-saver design for this model, suggesting it fits well on countertops without compromising its generous 5-quart cooking. The most significant detail here is the release date. This air fryer is not available until February 2025, which means, with a listed price of $139.99 for a product over a year away, assessing its current value is challenging, as it includes a chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts, which are always a nice bonus for helping users get. Ultimately, despite its clever design and useful included accessories, the most critical factor is that this air fryer is not available for purchase now. In summary, the Ninja 5-in-1 Air Fryer presents a compelling set of features for home cooking, boasting multifunctionality, ample capacity, and efficient cleaning. The design aims for space efficiency, which is a definite plus for many kitchens.